ya sani like a day cow the look a moment the mole my cow so mong direct lang yak le uba uba mong yo beso le bula alla bulera klegela ma del wile ki da la belu kana kotera mo tu ta lang yak boli Wanga koda kiyo se Suzuri naku Kureng rabe kolonga lekela Al tau te kupong ewao Engak marga Emo ara dusa Molat ke kawadi yalawi Mokidyo tirak lahasoa Hedi obasorki del wate kawad El wate kawaleku Okay. Let's do Digida ele titled in Kerala Lotoir Namka Un, Cousin Love. Nangaku masure nudo ko mademo Ingure kanasiya kuklot kidara ira Mangsasaya kukonoa marengu kakmo kadime Marengu kakmo kadime
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thanks for singing. Sulan, Sulan.
Oh, Sulan. This will have to be our last song, I'm afraid. We're going to be playing at the museum on Tuesday night at 7 o'clock, I think? 7 o'clock at the museum. And we're going to do a lot of talking at the museum and talking about the history of the music and what makes the Palauan Garibesiil, what makes it so special and unique. It's a special cultural resource that we want to embrace. We're going to finish our song. Oh, I also want to thank the Palau Visitors Authority for giving us this opportunity to kind of make a trip back in time. We're going to finish tonight with a song that was written in the early 1960s by Dudiu Tuti. And Lornia Amal Klo Hitlerni Ra Julie Tatangel Laichi. This is a song about the pain that we carry inside of us after a heartbreak. And sometimes we keep that pain hidden. And it's hidden down deep. And it won't come out to the rest of the world. But we know that inside, Narnia Maringalemel.
The hurt inside.
Oh, Komeng. Wrong key. 1, 2, 3. Sui set mal mo betika rengu chiara del mele moko daluriu
Moko daluriu.
And can go while I'm at rest. Bomu bareng adelute rasma. Maringaleme, Lel Tomelo Badange, Eka Amara, Diagabo Badange, Masel Mesaka, Kengi Wakero, Lel Mukarenga, Kakalu Yilo Senge. Sengering lengja kulesua malak lebeseng jakolita mada era malekek madi ulti regareka. Vamos, Sulang.